channel. My name is Aarushi, and from the title of the video you get to know that today we're gonna create this beautiful Kareena Kapoor Khan inspired look. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can bring a smile on my face. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And if you're wondering how I did this makeup, so keep on watching the video and let's get started. Let's start with the video, and first of all I'm gonna prime my face with this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and prime over my T-zone. I have already prepped my skin with moisturizer. Guys, we have done with primer. It's very natural, still like she has some coverage, so for that we are going to use Photo Focus foundation by Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that and put it on my face. So I have done with blending my foundation and it looks pretty good. Now it's time for concealer, and for that I'm using Wet n Wild concealer, Photo Focus concealer in the shade light medium beige. And as you can see, her under eyes look really brightened up, so we're gonna conceal our under eyes properly so that all the dark areas get covered. So we are done with concealer, and as you can see, our under eyes are well covered and our face is brightened up. So in the picture I can see that her eye makeup is very natural and very simple. She has a blend a nude shade on the crease line and lid, and I'm gonna take this one with a blending brush and tap out the excess and blend it over my lid. She hasn't put any eyeliner sort of thing. It is very natural and very simple. So I'm gonna take this shade from the palette with the help of a brush, and I'm gonna take this little bit, and with the help of this I'm gonna create a liner sort of thing. So that's it, guys. Our eye makeup is completed. It's very simple and very natural. Now it's time for a mascara, and she's not putting any false lashes, so I'm gonna use this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. It is a waterproof mascara, and I'm gonna put 2 coats of that. So guys, I'm done with my mascara, and my eyes instantly look so much bigger and like so brighter. She has put a very natural blush like her cheek, so I'm gonna use Wet n Wild color icon in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm gonna put this blush with my hand so that it like puts very minimal amount of blush in my cheeks. Aim of this makeup look is to keep like very natural and subtle makeup which is wearable on daily basis. So that's it, we are done with the blush, and let's move on to bronzing our face. So we have that sculpted cheeks like Kareena Kapoor Khan, and for that I'm using Too Faced chocolate bronzer. And for your information, guys, now Too Faced has been launched in India too, so you can get the product. I think you can get it on Nykaa. So I'm using this brush and taking the bronzer. Let's warm it up. So she don't have this hard contouring line, so we're gonna go very minimal with the bronzing. Nose is very pointy, and yes, she has like contoured it, so my nose is like way too different from her, so I'm gonna do some contouring. Guys, now it's time for some highlighter, and as you can see in the picture, her highlighter is very minimal. She has this subtle glow, but it's very like natural, so we're gonna put little bit of highlighter for that. That pinky highlighting lips, I'm gonna use Lakme Absolute Pout Lip Crayon. It's such a beautiful shade, guys. It is with me from the longest time, and I love this lipstick. On top of that, for that gloss on her lips, we're gonna use this Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine Lip Gloss, and it is also amazing product from Lakme. So we are done with our makeup, and I can see a good hairstyle on a picture, so I'm gonna quickly make that and get back to you. So guys, this is the final look. I have get all my hair backside, and as her, I have put some hair on my forehead, this strand, and she has put some hair like these, and she has put this round earrings. I don't have the exact one, so I have got mine. So guys, this is the final look. So guys, that was it, and I love this makeup look. It's so natural, so wearable, and so classy. And if you like me, if you like Kareena Kapoor, if you like this look, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see such more recreations and so many fun videos. So I hope you love this video. See you in the next